The DPI610E provides the functionality to test safety relief valves. They are used to protect your system from overpressure, and they allow excess pressure to be released into the atmosphere or give safe auxiliary passage out of the system. There are two categories of relief valves that can be tested on the DPI610E: rise-in relief valves and fall-in relief valves. Rise-in relief valves are more common and they open at a set pressure in the event of an overpressure. Fall-in relief valves, also known as vacuum relief valves, open when the pressure falls below zero and relieves the piping system from the stress of the force created by the vacuum. To perform a relief valve test, ensure the pressure connections between the DPI610E and the relief valve are secure and the vent valve is open to atmosphere. Check that you have the correct pressure function selected on channel 1. Launch the relief valve test from the task menu. Then select the type of relief valve. The default is rise-in. Close the vent valve securely and press the play button. Start pressurizing the system using the pump. If the valve set point is known, you can slow down the pressure generation by using shorter and slower pump strokes or by using the volume adjuster to slowly approach the set point value. The pressure at which the relief valve opens will be captured as the opening pressure, which is the maximum pressure seen by the system. The pressure will cease to increase beyond this point. We then stop pumping and allow the relief valve to close. The closing pressure will be the minimum pressure seen by the system after the pressure has settled and stops decreasing. This marks the end of the test and you can press the stop icon to complete. To repeat the test, simply press the restart button or you can exit. The relief valve test results can be saved as a CSV file by selecting the save icon. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.